We know that instructors working with the Ohio MHFA Collaborative have many forms, documents, and resources to use. Wouldn't it be great if you had a quick and easy place to get these no matter what devices you're using? Guess what? There is. We have built a quick and easy-to-use app that you can save on your phone, tablet, or computer that includes some of the most commonly used documents you need. You won't find this on any app store, so please watch this video to the end to learn about this app and how you can use it on your favorite device. So let's take a look starting with the desktop view of the app. Here you'll find many of the forums that you use as part of the Mental Health First Aid Ohio Collaborative. You'll even see a link to your invoice at the top of the app. Looking at the menus at the top, you can see that you can move on to helpful documents. And there are a variety of the documents we use, both for internal and external use. Then you can find resources. We'll be adding more to this as we get them, but this is a good place to find the resources that we hand out to students. And finally, you can go to the Social tab, where you can find a link to the Ohio MHFA Collaborative's website, as well as the Facebook page and the LinkedIn page. Here's a mobile view of the app. This is just the same as we saw on the desktop. The menu's found at the top, and when you open it, you'll find that all of the same menu items that were on the desktop are available on your phone. All of the same forms and documents, as well as links, can be found on the mobile version. And finally, you'll see the tablet view. With both the phone and tablet view, you can change orientation of your screen from portrait to landscape. You'll also find all of the same links here that you found on the desktop version. And if there's anything you think we should add to the app, please let us know. Documents will be updated in real time, so if you want the latest version of your email template, or the latest version of the resources sheet, or the help guides, this is a good place to find them quickly. At the end of the video and in the Connect Team message, you'll find a link on how to get this app for your tablet, phone, or desktop. First, let's see how it works. We'll look at iPhone first. When you first click the link to load the app, it will take a moment to load a screen that asks if you would like to add it to your home screen. You click the Share button at the bottom of the screen, and it will open a menu. On that menu, you choose Add to Home Screen. Then you'll find a window that has the option to add. Click that button, and that's all you have to do. Now, the app shows on your screen just like any other app. On Android, using Chrome, look for the Share button at the top of your screen. There may be different versions, so look for the three dots and click that button. Then click Add to Home Screen. Now you'll find it on your home screen, just like all the other apps. Remember, you won't find this app on any app store. It's only available through us at the Ohio MHFA Collaborative. Visit the link, open the page, and follow the instructions to add to your home screen, or simply save the bookmark so you can open it on your desktop. If you have any additions or suggestions for the app, please do let us know. We'd like for it to be a great tool that you can use each and every day. Thanks for watching.